Well, here we are at the Grand Sierra Resort in the Grand Theater. I'm Alan Taylor. And yes, I get to be the Grand Marshal for Hot August Nights. What an honor. And to be able to go out into the cars and see all these cars and bring them in here, each one interesting and different. But this one in particular, Ken Berger's car, with a big block.
Yeah.
You know, it's going to really go, right?
It's got a 429 with a C6 automatic, and it drives really well.
So tell me the story on it.
I was at a Good Guy show about 6 years ago, and I saw it sitting down on the grass in Scottsdale, and I just had to have it. And he was actually willing to sell it because he built concept cars for Ford when he worked in Detroit.
Right.
And that's where he built this thing. He was just starting to overdo it. And he says, I need to get on to another project.
Did it look like this?
Oh yeah, he redid the dash like 3 times, and this car's been done, I think, since the 70s he started on it. He originally did it for his wife, and it was pink.
Oh!
And he had it in the Detroit World of Wheels, and it won first place.
Oh, man.
And then he decided to make it a little more saleable, so he painted it to gray.
And then, so explain, how did he build it? He took basically just a...
He used a section off the roof from a Fairmont wagon and the rear molding for the glass off a Fairmont wagon, and that's about it. Everything else he handmade out of metal. There's no Bondo.
I love that. I mean, the fact that, you know, we have so many cars these days, and these craftsmen, they just put their skill to work and create stuff that we look at and just love.
Well, he knew how to make a car, a custom car, look like a real car. Everybody says, when did Ford make that?
Right.
And they didn't. You know.
Well, I wouldn't think they ever made it with that engine under the hood in particular.
Yeah, I mean, the car is crazy enough, and then you're right, you pop the hood, it's like a whole nother
you know what, and
level.
when I picked this car, I just said, I got to have that car because it's so unique. But then when you lifted the hood, I was like, good Lord, I love that.
Yeah, no, I have a lot of fun with it, and it's nice. I do a lot of concourse correct stuff, and it's so nice to have a car. You don't have to worry about a date code on a hose clamp. You get to do what you want.
It's a concept car.
Yeah, and I've upgraded it over the years. I put air conditioning on it and a sound system, and I had to redo the cooling system. And I have retractable vents under the dash for the AC units, and
you just keep on working on it.
There's always something. It never ends.
Well, there you go. That's another cool car right here at the Grand Marshals Award Car Show.